So it's page 153, question number 7. The rabbit population in a certain area is 200% of last year's population. There are 1,100 rabbits this year. That means when it is 1,100 rabbits, the population is 200. Okay, again, I'll write it properly. The rabbit population in a certain area is 200% of last year's population. There are 1,100 rabbits this year. Okay, they did not say you how many is last year. So when it is 200%, the population is 1,100 rabbits. When it is 200%. But last year, when it was 100%, you don't know the rabbit. This is part by whole and percent by 100. So what did I tell you how to do this question? First, multiply
The part and whole.
1,100. See, yes. Multiply 100. You'll multiply these two and you'll divide with 200. Same thing. You'll multiply these two and you'll divide with 200. So when you do this, yalla calculators.
Okay, wait, let me go bring it.
All right, so did you copy this? Any question for question number 7? Haifa, welcome Haifa.
Welcome.
Can you read question number 8?
Where is it? A company that makes hair care products had 3,000 people try a new shampoo. Of the 3,000 people, 9 had a mild allergic reaction. What
Now
percent
see,
of the people?
9 out of 3,000. So 9 is the part and 3,000 is the whole. Okay, and it's always it's out of 100%. You don't know the percentage. How will you do this? You will just 9 times 100 and 3,000. Am I right? Any questions there? Yeah. It's 9 over 30. That means 0.3% with your calculator. Done, girls? Did you write? I will check tomorrow. Everyone is writing. Please. Did you finish?
Miss, I just came, so I don't know what page you're doing.
I wrote here on the screen, page 153.
I didn't know.
It's page 153. Pass me money. Are you done, girls, so that I go to question 9?
No.
I think you all are saying
I'm done.
Sleeping.
Miss, no.
No, good girl. No, Maria is writing. I know Maria. I'm talking about some other girls here. Leanne, did you write? Leanne Walid? Leanne Walid?
Yes.
Please, can you read question number 9?
Okay. A survey was given to people who owned a certain type of car. What percent of the people surveyed were completely satisfied with the car?
So completely satisfied is how much? 1,000? 100.
100.
So how much is the percentage? How will you know? 1,100 out of what? Do you know out of what? Do you know out of how much? The whole thing is how much?
100.
No. Look at here. Look at here. Like this is 1,100. This is 740. And this is 160. This is the total. Yalla, do the total. It is 2,000. It's 2,000. So out of 2,000, they're asking you what percentage of the people surveyed were completely satisfied with the car. Who are completely satisfied? The light blue color. So 1,100 are satisfied out of 2,000. Then if you want to find the percentage, that is P over 100, nothing. This is part by whole. This is percent by 100. How do you find the percentage? Part by whole multiply by 100.
Miss, I don't get it.
Who's this?
Me, Tyler.
Tyler, what is the formula? Part,
Multiply the part by 100.
see, listen to me. Just write part by whole
Yes.
by 100, right?
100. Yes.
What is the part? They said, what percent of the people surveyed were completely satisfied? Who's completely satisfied? How many people are completely satisfied?
1,100.
1,100 were satisfied out of how many?
Out of 740
out of-
plus 100.
All like you plus them. So I got 2,000 out of everyone, right?
Yes.
Because like example, I said you 2 out of 10. So 10 means everyone. Like that, everyone is 2,000. This is part and this is whole. And you have to find percent. Anyways, when I ask you, you got 8 out of 10 or 8 out of 15, and you have to find the percentage, you just do 8 out of 15 times 100. Same way, you'll just send the 100 here. It's 1100, 1100 times 100 over 2,000. So when I do this, so it's 110 over 2, that is 55. 50. What is my answer? 55%. Are you done?
Miss, how do you know if it's like the percent or if it's like the... Oh, because they asked the
They
percent.
ask
Okay.
you what percent of people. Amal, can you read question number 10? Jana,
Okay.
did you write everything?
The Washingtons buy a studio apartment for 2,400.
No, not 2,000.
240,000.
My beautiful girl. Yes, 240,000.
They pay down payment of 60,000.
Okay, Amal,
Yes.
how much is the part and how much is the whole? They pay 60 out of
60 is the part, and
yes.
240 is the whole.
Okay, they paid this. Very good. And then they ask you write down their payment is what percent of purchase price, their down payment. Okay, down payment means they're asking you this is what percent. So what percent purchase price would, okay. So you will multiply with 100. Come on, do and tell me.
It's
Miss, I forgot my
0.25.
calculator at school.
It's 600 by 24. Anyone? 600 by 24?
25.
25%. If imagine the down payment is not 60,000 and the down payment be 12,000. So you will do 12,000 over 240,000 multiplied by 100. So it's 120 over 12, 24. 120 over 24. $120 over 24, that is nothing but 5%. Any questions? Mariana, are you able to understand? Mariana, are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Jenna, any questions? Jenna, any questions?
No, miss.
You'll copy and give me 1 minute, okay?
Miss, I forgot my book.
Okay, do it in the paper on a paper. I'm coming back, just give me 1 minute. Girls, are you all done? If yes, I'll go to next questions.
No, I'm not done.
Please complete it.
Miss, is this the first or the second? I mean, the second or the third class?
No, this is the second class. I have with you the third class also.
Oh, okay.
Miss,
Miss, I'm done.
Girls, still you all are not done? Grade 7, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I'm done.
Others? Can I continue?
yes, miss, we're done.
Okay. Let's start. Do you know that we have one more class? Yes, girls?
Yeah, we do.
Can I clear this?
Yeah.
Allah. Come on. A restaurant customer. I'll ask Maria. Maria, please read this out. Read question 11, Maria.
Yeah.
Please read
I-
question 11.
A restaurant customer left $3.50 as the tip. The tax on the meal was 7%, and the tip was 20% of the cost, including tax.
Okay. The tax was 7% and the tip was 20% of the cost, but you don't know the cost. Okay, you know that they said that the 20% of the cost, 20%, I'll write it down here. 20% of the cost. I don't know the cost. Maybe like X, 20% of X equal $3.5. $3.5. Okay. Let me come to the question. This is given in the question. All right.
Okay.
Now, what piece of information is not needed to compute the bill? This is not needed anywhere. Look, I told you 20% of X is $3.5. 7% is not needed. The tax was 7%. This information is not needed in the question actually, because they already told you the tip was 20% of the cost included. Next, what was the total bill? How much was the total bill? How will you know that? As I told you, 20 over 100 is the percentage by, and you don't know the total bill. A restaurant customer left $3.5 as a tip, and the tip was $3.5, but you don't know the, do you have calculators, girls?
Yes.
Okay. What was the total bill? 20% of X, that is 20 over 100 times X equal 3.5. So it's 3.5. So this is how you do, girls. 3.5 times 100 over 20. Come on. Who has calculator? Please do it and tell me.
Miss, how do you do it? Okay, I'm gonna do it right now. Wait.
Miss, I think my calculator is broken. Because,
Broken, Maria?
I'll tell you why, Miss. Because when we separate the two numbers, like we put 3.5 over X or something like that, it isn't working for me. It just puts a random line.
17.5.
17.5, are you sure?
Yes, I did the same thing. 3.5
Okay.
multiplied by 100.
17.5, and then you add, this is the cost.
Oh, you add the tip? Okay.
I add the tip, 17.5. I add 3.5 as a tip, right? Because this was the original price.
Yeah, it's 21.
So it will be like $21. Okay. Question 12, put a cross mark. If you have written, it's okay, but put a cross mark. This reasoning I won't be asking. Can I go to next page?
Yes.
Amal, did you write?
Miss, I didn't.
Tina, did you write?
Yes, you miss.
Yes, I did.
Leon, Tala,
Yes.
Yes, I did it.
okay. Guys, are you able to understand even in the online classes?
Miss, what did you say?
I said, are you able to understand me in the online class?
Yes.
Yeah.
Same actually. Only thing is here you cannot giggle, laugh, and trouble me like that. Like how you do in my class. Right? You cannot disturb me a lot.
Yeah.
You all look really sleepy today. Why? Because of excitement, maybe you did not sleep properly.
Miss, I woke up at 6.
Miss, I actually wasn't excited.
You wasn't excited. Why? Because of the online session.
Yeah, because I hate online sessions and also they make me super bored. But like I was excited for the rain and then there was no rain. It rained at night.
It's
And I was
rain, but
asleep.
not that heavy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Miss, I didn't even know it rained yesterday,
Yes.
but I was awake.
Number question 14. Tina?
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Has read 13 chapters of a 22 chapter book. What % of the chapters has she read?
Okay, so Tina, we have a formula that part by whole. This much out of this much. Part by whole is percent by 100. So how much out of how much? How many chapters she read out of how many? She read 13 out of? She read 13 chapters out of how many chapters?
Out of 59.
Look at here. Hypatia has read 13 chapters of a out 22 chapters. So how much is the percentage? I don't know. Percentage by 100. So you multiply 13 and 100 and you divide with 22. So when you do this, you get almost like 59%. Hala, any questions?
So you multiply the 100 by the 13 and then you divide it by 22?
Yes.
Okay. No, I got it.
This is direct proportion question. If it is 4 quarters, 100%,
What page is this?
7 quarters, how much? Huh?
What page is this?
Who's asking me this?
Me, Tala.
Hala? Hala. Please help her out, girls.
Okay, I found it. I found it.
A school year has 4 quarters. What percent of a school year is 7 quarters? If it's 4 quarters, it's 100%. If it's 7 quarters, how many percent? 7 times 100 over 4. Yalla, do it.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna do it. Oh, 175.
Now, girls, if you want to go with part and whole, normally you have to write like this. Like, see, normally you don't know 7 quarters. Actually, we don't have part and whole here. You cannot write part is 4. Normally, you have 4 quarters with a school year is normally 100%, 4 quarters. So if it's 7 quarters, so how much was the percentage? So 7 times 100 over 4. That is 175%. Are you done?
Yeah.
Guys, this meeting will not last till 9 a.m. I will end the meeting now and we can start again after maybe 9. It's written 9:03 or 9:02, I think.
9:04.
So I will end the meeting now and I'll start at 9:02. We'll continue.
Okay, bye.
Bye. You all are so happy now. Mhm.